We got another live screen printing event for BudLight. Yes! Well, it's time for another live screen printing gig in Austin, Texas. So we're getting ready for a road trip. Got ourselves a rental vehicle to kind of fit more stuff, at least make it a little easier on us. Got our screens, our screen print stand, our heat press, dog food, of course. You always need the dog food just in case you get hungry. Shannon wanted to leave about an hour ago, but let's get on the road and go have ourselves some fun, have an adventure. Let's do it. Double check. We got our screens. We got a stand this time. We've got our inks. We've got our squeegees, heat press. I think we are good to go. Shut! Let's go. I'm waiting on you. Hey, do you want to go to a mountain?
I don't want to go to another mountain.
I mean, do you want to go to a hill?
I don't want to go to a hill.
We're in hill country.
Last time hurt, okay?
We can walk to the C. Ray Vaughan monument.
No.
It's actually really beautiful because it's by the river.
What is with you and walking?
That's how you experience. All right, we got everything all set up here in Austin. Q2 Stadium once again, but it's more of a promo, I guess. BudLight Next. We're doing it for BudLight once again. The branding's kind of cool. Kind of want to try one of these. You can't have one, Shannon, but I'm going to try one of these next. Super crisp light beer. Apparently it's like a seltzer with the beer flavor. I don't know, we'll check it out. I'm excited to see. It's in a really nice area. We'll show you here in a second, but let's get inside.
An awkward, just silence.
All right, let's
Going out.
let's make our way into this joint.
I just realized I was still wearing.
It's pretty quiet, but I mean, they were working on that. They got that all set up pretty awesome. But who's that? C. Ray Vaughan. Imagine these are all Austinites.
It was the most boring concert I've ever been to.
Man, they just got this thing decked out.
It smells like chicken tenders.
It smells like chicken tenders?
Doesn't it?
I mean, there's a lot of chatter. There she is.
Okay, I can get that over.
Hey, how you doing?
Great, how are you all today?
Oh, it's looking great in here.
Hello.
Wow.
No, I'm just losing options.
Oh, I see we got a table. Awesome. 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 tables.
Thank you. We
Perfect.
appreciate it. That looks awesome. Oh,
Brought the actual baby.
sorry. Nice. You finally got it going.
How are you?
That's awesome.
Come back here, I want to ride you.
Okay, we have everything all set up. Pretty cool event. Here's our little table. Here's the prints that we're doing. They look pretty awesome. What you don't mind being on camera, do you?
No, not at all.
What is your name? We haven't officially met.
Jeremy.
Matt, nice to meet you,
Nice to
Jeremy.
meet you, Matt.
So Jeremy's got a pretty awesome setup over here where it's a 360-degree camera. I'll capture some of it as people are doing it a little later on. Or there we go. We got a demonstration.
I'm just super excited about the remote. It is a game changer for me.
Oh yeah. And can we see how this? Dang, that is awesome.
That's how they look. Of course, that's not me
Dude.
just yet, but yeah, process
Holy
in about
crap.
10 seconds.
That's totally dope. Man, that's awesome. And you can actually share that towards
Yes.
where they can. I imagine that's what the QR codes are for,
yes,
right?
yeah.
That's awesome. What's your business? What's the name of your business? Because we have about 50,000 people that watch the channel. So if they wanted to book you,
Austin City Photo Booth. We travel all throughout Texas, and yeah, we create awesome moments.
I didn't mean to put you on the spot or anything, but
Elevator pitch time. I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to put you on the
I
spot.
got very little
but
sleep last night. My bad.
We're very just kind of loose and easy going, so I didn't mean to put you on the spot. So he set up over here, totally awesome. New technology, 2,000-year-old technology. We're having a good time, and looks like everybody else out here is having a pretty good time as well. And we'll keep you guys updated as things go and people get things screen printed. And as photos are taken as well.
Peace. Alright, and action. And you can move around, say hello.
All right, we're printing it up. We've had a handful of people come over and print themselves, although Shannon hasn't recorded it. Although she's doing her end of things over there. People are having a good time checking out screen printing. A lot of people don't really know what screen printing is. It's packed. Let's take a look real quick. Woo! I'm exhausted. I'm ready for some food. We got everything packed back up. Wish I could have recorded more screen printing stuff, but it was a lot of fun. Everybody was cool. I'm sure we'll be invited back again.
Are we going to the car or am I waiting here?
You just wait here and I'll bring the car. Then we're gonna have some adventures tomorrow, and then we got to get back to the shop. Man, I love that Tesla. Can I have the Tesla? Can I have the Tesla? Can I have the Tesla?
Tesla.
Because everybody else was wanting the beer. I just want the Tesla. We're doing one of Shannon's favorite activities, which is walking. We've already walked, I don't know how long this trail is, but
Deal.
I guess a lot of people bring their dogs here. You get to go down by the lake, which kind of looks like a river to us, but it's nicer than the Houston rivers. And I guess we'll be able to take a look at. Oh yeah, she was saying that this is an aisle, so there's water on both ends.
Peninsula, yeah.
It's an aisle.
She said
Called Red Bud Aisle.
She said peninsula.
An aisle's basically a peninsula.
No.
Well, it's an aisle then.
Except
It even says on the sign. Warning, high risk for dogs. You can actually see stuff at the bottom of the water. You want to do some fishing? I thought she said we can see downtown from here.
I have a rock in my shoe.
I have dog pee on my shoe. You want to meet that dog, don't you? And those dogs. I guess he'll be fine because it's an aisle. He can't really go running off. All right, let's see how much further we can go, and then
Water's pretty.
yeah, and then we'll let him off with his leash. That'd be a cool house to live in. That thing's ginormous. Oh hush! I see a ball in the water. Apollo, you can't get near the algae. It's dangerous for you.
Apparently we're fine.
Yeah. Human beings are totally cool. See that fish? See that bass?
There's a bass.
Yeah, a little striped bass.
Oh look! No, is that a leaf?
There's one right there. See? Over there.
Oh, I thought that was a leaf.
Ooh, my battery's almost dead. Woo! That was a lot of fun, exhausting. It's always fun just kind of going out of town, doing these live events. The only thing I don't really care for is packing up that press. So I'm thinking about designing one that would fit into a case that I could easily carry. Let you guys think down in the comments if y'all would be interested in something like that for yourselves, because I might have to order multiples. Who knows? But thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And until next time, we will see you later.